many students feel the pressure to join every club available, right? How much does leadership, initiative, and impact really matter as compared with the number of activities, especially from the perspective of a UC application?
So the UC's admissions officer is not looking for like gazillion extracurricular activities. What they're trying to see is that has the student taken interest in and developing that exploration of that particular major. So what have they done? So to explore that major in high school. And so like for example, like if a sophomore, let's say, likes environmental science, maybe they joined an environmental science club, maybe they did some research, they developed some local initiative, some advocacy work, they worked with a community organization, they created a project with the measurable impact. So what they want to see is that progress. They started with that interest, they explored the major, then they showed some initiative, and then they had an impact in their community. So it's more about what did the student actually do with their interest. It's not so much about how many extracurriculars they participated in, and it's not about checking every box like community service, volunteer, competition, science clubs. You don't have to do all of it, but you definitely have to show what did you do to explore your major and what impact you had.
So the UC activity list is 20 activities long to the best of my knowledge. Is it okay if you can't fill out each of those 20 activities, or is will you be at a disadvantage because this is directly linking to it? A lot of students come back and be like, oh, X student had like 20 activities, actually more than 25, 20 activities, and they had to list that in the additional information section. And I only have like 12 or 13, which I can really quantify as meaningful. Do you think this person who had 12 or 13 would be at disadvantage as somebody who's 20? Meaningful activities, of course.
Not at all. So I've had students have as few as 5 or 6 activities, but really doing that meaningful, impactful work in each of those activities, and you land up at the flagship UCs like UC Berkeley, UCLA.
So, number of activities don't matter.